Good morning, YouTube. I hope you're having a wonderful day, a blessed day, a day filled with positivity. You know, I'm back with another video, and today I'm going to be taking my bumper off and finishing my front lip. So cue the intro. And there's my front lip installed, but it's not really installed. What I have to do now, I'm gonna take the bumper off. It's just held on by one clip over there, one clip over there, and two bolts at the bottom from an undershroud. But once I do that, I'll be right back. So now that my bumper is off, what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna finish the task. I have a time lapse of what I did previously to get this lip on here. And I'll insert that now, so you guys can watch that. And then from there, we'll go ahead and finish this part. I ended up putting bolts right here, and that's mainly because, yeah, I ran out of, I didn't buy the right screws. I didn't double check everything. So what I did was I went back to Home Depot and got the right stuff, instead of having these self-tapping screws, because over time I just know it's not gonna be a good fit for me and my, what am I trying to say? It's not gonna be for my, it's not going to be to my satisfaction. So what I'm going to do right now is finish drilling these holes, and then I will put the actual screw size, the actual bolts that I got from Home Depot in there. So I got 3/8, the nylon lock nuts. Then I got 1-inch 3/8 bolts, and then I got washers as well. This color coordination threw me off. So the first time I went and got all orange, and all orange was not right. Yeah, I was so confused, but I got the right stuff now. Obviously gonna be using the 3/8 drill bit, and then I'm gonna get to it. All the holes are drilled now. It looks so nice. And by the way, I've been kind of scraping this lip lately. It's got a little bit of a scrape right there compared to, smooth over here. So consider this side, the dark side, like just like that. You see that? So this right here corresponds to this. This going there. And this right here corresponds to on top of this, or inside of here, and that's going to push down. I have a bolt and a washer going up into there. Then I have the washer and the nut going down there. I always forget I have these two sawhorses. So yeah, I just put it up on here. You can see my undershroud, but that'll make my life so much easier putting these bolts in. Always use your tools when you can. It'll make your life a lot easier. bolts are in now, as well as the nuts on the other end, the nylon not locking nuts. And the washers are in, everything's good. So now I'm gonna take my 9/16 wrench, put it on the inside, take my impact with a 9/16 socket, and make it happen. And that is a successful lip install. All the bolts are there, all tight. Lip ain't going nowhere. Now, of course, I do have like a KBD lip here, and this will be wrapped, of course. All this stuff is getting wrapped. But that allowed me to have all this extra room. As you can see over here, that's the lip seal. My bumper's area to do those screws is like this much, but the lips area to put these bolts in is like this much. So I got all this room to play with, which is why I'm able to bolt these in the way that I have them. No, I do not plan on putting splitter rods in there. If anything, the splitter rods will just add more stress to my bumper. As I already know, I'm scraping, even though I'm not low. I'm lowered, but not low. So the splitter can flex in places. Imagine if I made it really stiff right here and really stiff right here. The first thing that's gonna break is either the rod itself, if I connect it, or it's gonna make a hole in my bumper because it'll push up. So like this, you can just flex all it wants to. Now I'm gonna put my bumper back on, and yeah, we're just gonna do it for the video.